It's a beautiful day out here, y'all. Let's go. Happy Friday to everybody watching today's video. It is your boy, Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. And I'm here, back at it again, with another video. Boy, got a haircut, filmy, looking sharp. Now, this video right here, on this journey, bro, at SR, and on my journey of me investing into the stock market, bro, like, I just get so much, like, downloads and insights, and I gotta continuously share it with y'all, alright? So, the first thing I'm gonna talk about is SR and why this is your catalyst to your success. Now, if you wanna be a person that just walk around, just depleted, low energy for your whole entire life, then that's just consciously on you. Because you are a part of what the Matrix has designed you to be. Meaning, they created those websites to be free so that you pay with your energy, right? And your energy is your number one source of currency. Alright? Y'all gotta understand that words, the English words, is very, very powerful in this human experience. Okay? So, the average person walks around with no energy. So you automatically lower your vibration and your frequency, right? And we are all walking frequencies. Some people vibrate high, some people vibrate low, but you have to consciously be aware of the level and frequency that you are vibrating. Okay? Now, what PMO does and what those videos do to you is that they stop you from actually thinking, right? Meaning you're not being aware of what you're doing. You're thinking that low vibrational activity is just normal in this society, right? And they don't want a world full of thinkers. It's kind of crazy. I probably heard that quote before. They don't want a world full of thinkers. They want a world full of people that are followers, right? They follow what everybody else is doing, but they don't want to think for themselves. That's kind of crazy. You know what I'm saying? And when you get on this path of retaining your essence, you're going to see life totally different. You're going to realize how programmed we was. How programmed people still are. Right? You're also going to realize how much we've been lied to in this human experience, bro. And it's crazy. It's crazy how much we've been lied to. They sold us a dream. And what they're doing is that they're putting you to sleep day by day through low vibrational activities. So now the average person gets their dopamine, right? They get their dopamine from activities that aren't helping them grow, helping them evolve, helping them become a better version of themselves. So you get your dopamine rush from the PMO. You get your dopamine rush from things that's just outside of yourself. You could be addicted to gambling. You could be addicted to smoking cigarettes. You could be addicted to anything. People get dopamine from likes on Instagram. Shit is not real. It's not real. Alright? In life, sometimes our biggest critics is ourselves, right? Sometimes your worst enemy is yourself. Because you know what you could be doing to help you improve your life. You just decide not to do it. You have nobody to blame. Sometimes you look for people to blame, but you with yourself 24/7, so you have nobody to blame. Right? So that's why I be telling y'all, get on the SR journey, invest into the stock market, go to the gym and work out, make sure you journaling. You know, you're doing things to help yourself in life, because ain't nobody gonna help you. Ain't nobody gonna save you, bruh. Word. Alright? Now, SR is not about you getting on this path so that you can get a whole bunch of attraction from women. That's going to come with it regardless. You have to learn how to trust into the spiritual realm, right? You got to learn how to face the unknown. Because you don't know how SR is going to change your life. You just know it's going to change your life. You know? You're not just going to attract any type of woman. You're actually going to attract your wife. That's just me being honest and real with y'all, alright? If you want to believe it, you can. If not, I don't care. You're gonna attract better opportunities for you just in general. Alright? Now, how does that equate to the stock market? Or you investing? Just like SR, you're retaining your energy. When you invest it into the stock market, you're retaining your money, your income. You're helping it grow. I could work all day, right? I could do as much Uber Eats deliveries as I want. We only get but so much time per day. All of us. Right? But with that time, there's so much other activities that we have to do outside of work. You know? And the way that the system is created, the way that they create the system is crazy. So we work, we make the money. You work your W-2 job, they take your taxes out automatically. You self-employed, you gotta set money aside for the taxes. Right? If you run a business, you still gotta set money aside for taxes. So we make the money, and now we gotta find a way to make the money grow. Because if the money just sits in a bank account, it's not growing. It's not getting no interest. If you sit it in a high yield savings account, you might get 4%. Right? So 4%, it's not that much. It's something, but it's not that much. If you got $10,000 invested into the stock market and you hit 1%, that's $100. Right? You got $100,000 in the stock market and you hit 1%, that's $1,000. So the reason why I tell y'all put y'all money into the stock market is because now we playing an interest game. Now we playing the game of learning how to make our money grow. Learning how to pay ourselves first. Right? And sometimes the messages may sound repetitive, but hey, that's how your subconscious mind is going to learn how to get stronger. It's through repetition. I do Uber Eats every day. It's repetitive for me. You know? But I know that every day is a new day. Every day is another day to get better. It's another day to improve. It's another day to get to it. So you gotta be willing to, just like you retaining your energy consistently, you gotta consistently be willing to let your money grow. Because compound interest is gonna be your best friend. You don't have to sell your stock so fast when the stock market is in a bear market. When the stock market is going down, that's actually a better opportunity for you as an investor. You know, you gotta teach yourself patience. You gotta teach yourself delayed gratification. You gotta teach yourself how to think long term. Because your future self is gonna be proud of you for what you're doing right now. And you gotta focus on making more money. You feel me? We can only cut back on but so much, right? And you don't want to be feeling like I'm just working to not even like take care of myself or reward myself. You don't want to feel like that. You want to actually feel like you want to actually feel like you're looking out for yourself. You feel me? And when I talk about like taking care of yourself, I'm not talking about like with a whole bunch of like expensive items. Some of y'all might say, "Oh, look at the jacket you got on." First of all, my mom got me the jacket last Christmas. Word. Me personally, I don't even be buying myself a whole bunch of pricey stuff. That's just me being real. When I say take care of yourself, I mean just take care of your financial foundation. You know, take care of your mental well-being. Keep growing spiritually. Make sure your emotions is intact, and just keep taking your physical well-being as well. So physical, mental, spiritual, financial, and emotional. You know? Learning how to be confident in yourself, learning how to trust yourself, trust the process, make changes, because change is some things that humans are naturally afraid of, because they don't know. Like, you only know yourself on a certain version of yourself. But when you change and you focus on what you got to improve on, you actually start to enjoy that process and that journey. You know? Like, you're not afraid to face the unknown or face a better version of yourself. You actually embrace it. You feel me? So, and I honestly just overall feel like when you get over attention, it's gonna help you shift the way that you view life, the way that you view yourself, the way that you view women, family members, your friends. Like, your connection to God, your connection to the source is gonna be a lot more stronger and amplified. And just overall, bro, you just learn to enjoy life, bro. You feel me? So, being over attention will help you in many different ways in your life. It's just up to you to embrace it, to see it for yourself. I can't force you to do anything you don't want to do. Only you can help yourself. You feel me? These videos help y'all, but at the end of the day, you gotta put the work in. You gotta be willing to make the changes. You gotta be willing to feel uncomfortable. That's the only way you really gonna grow in life, is through uncomfortability. You know? We don't grow being comfortable. We grow through uncomfortability. Real talk. So this is a good video for the YouTube channel. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you are new to the YouTube channel. Really would appreciate that. Hey, thank y'all for rocking out with me. Y'all some real ones, alright? Keep on getting to the money. Keep on getting closer with God. Keep on crushing your goals and letting your higher self show you what you're capable of. Alright? It's your boy Terrence Carter. TC Talks, TC Fitness. Yes, sir. And shout out to the SL community, NoFap community, and stock market community, all that good stuff. Alright? Yes, sir.